noisy outside, so I just had to transfer back in here. I don't really want this channel to be all unboxings of random products, but it just so happens that I've been ordering stuff like accessories or other stuff to just go with my camera. And this right here is one of those things. So the particular upgrade for today is a microphone. So this is the DJI Mic Mini. I think this is a new model and came out just recently. Is this just one whole big packet of stickers? Whoa, it is! And they look pretty cool. I might use these. Comes in this nice carrying pouch. Just to start, this pouch feels really nice. Finally, here we are. There's a clip, but it's also kind of magnetized. So getting into it, we have the receiver, goes on top of the camera, and two transmitters here. These transmitters are the actual microphones that you hook up to your shirt. There's an adapter for USB-C, so you can hook it up to your phone. We have an audio jack to go from the receiver to the camera. And then we have a USB-A to C. We have some wind muffs, or dead cats, or wind screens, whatever you want to call them, which should just attach on the transmitters like so. I think we're recording on the microphone now. And this is the normal mode without any noise cancelling. But if I do this, hopefully all the engine noises outside or loud speaking or shouting won't come through anymore. So you can see it's attached to my shirt here, but it's actually just on this. Oh, there's this really loud airplane above us right now. Hopefully the noise cancelling is actually working properly. Anyway, it's attached to my shirt. The microphone is attached to my shirt with this magnet system. It's a really strong magnet. Makes a really good clicking sound. So now I can be way over here and the audio should still be the same. I'll be going out today, meeting up with my brother to try to shoot some photos. You wanna go out? So I'm going out today, trying to get better at this whole camera thing. Might do a bit of shopping as well, and you guys are coming with me. It's this strike free. This one came out last year.
It's
This is one of the
is the
newer
one that
ones.
we were talking about, right?
But I don't think they have stock.
Other side, but like I can't find it.
Skibidi toilet. Buy it.
What we have right now is RX-78 and
It's a Zap.
a very colorful song.
You found the Witcher.
It's made to be, bro. I'm doing it.
Oh shit. Now it's my turn.